Thank you for purchasing one of our Unity Pro FB4 laser projectors. In this setup video, we will show you how to control your Unity laser from a lighting console as fast as possible. If you have not already, you will need to watch the Getting Started video first to learn how to initially set up your Unity FB4 laser. Once your laser projector is turned on and running, we can get it ready to receive DMX or ArtNet from your lighting console. The FB4 comes pre-installed with 1500 custom cues on the projector. If for some reason it's not there, check out our video covering how to install the content to the FB4, which can be found on our Pangolin Laser Systems YouTube channel. Moving forward, on your FB4, go to Operational Mode and select ArtNet or DMX. We will do DMX for simplicity. Then, under DMX settings, you can set the address for the laser we will patch in the console. I'm going to leave this at 1. Last thing we need to check is the mode. We want to make sure that it's set to FB4 profile and not the FB3 profile. Then we can connect our DMX cable to your console, or through data distribution. Now let's patch the fixtures in the console and set them up. We'll use MA2 for demonstration as it's so widely used, but we have profiles from most of the major consoles. You can search for the profile in your console library or download them from our website at pangolin.com/pages/DMX Profiles. We'll want to use the 39-channel mode, which is broken up into 2 fixtures for easier setup and control. First, patch the setup profile that is 13 channels and give it a fixture ID. Then, patch the player profile, which is 26 channels in a separate fixture ID set. But these should be directly after each other in the patch and look like this. Now we'll leave the setup. Select your setup fixture for the laser. Go to Control, and then Set to Setup. Go to Gobo, select Test Pattern 1, and finally go to Dimmer and slowly bring it up. This will show a test pattern on the laser. From there, we can go to Shapers and shape our laser zone into place. Check our safety video on how to do this safely and correctly. Once we are happy with our zoning, we can go back to Dimmer, set it to Max, and then go to Control and set it to Enabled. Before we clear the programmer, we will park this fixture entirely so the setup does not change, and you won't have to worry about it being enabled or not. Now you can select the player fixture, select a gobo, give it some dimmer, and you have output. If at this moment you do not have output, you may need to put the content on that projector. Check out our FB4 Beam content pack video to upload to the projector as mentioned previously. If you do have the content, then you have 1500 cues at your fingertips. From here, you can do all of your normal console control stuff like position, color, and some laser parameters like scan rate and visible points. All controllable from the console and using whatever effects engine your console has. If you still have questions about setup, feel free to contact our support system by emailing support@pangolin.com, and thanks for watching.